PiNetwork, a cryptocurrency project aiming to make digital currency accessible via mobile devices, has recently garnered attention from major media outlets, including the BBC and Vision 4 TV. This coverage underscores the growing global interest in the platform and its potential impact on the digital economy. When PiNetwork was first discussed on the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, it appeared to be just another story for a morning show. However, the media team quickly realized that the platform's user base had surpassed that of several European countries, prompting them to take a closer look. This time, not only did they attempt to explain the concept of PiNetwork, but they also interviewed pioneers to gain insights into their plans for the platform when the mainnet goes live. Among those interviewed was a pioneer who spoke about the speculated global consensus value, GCV, of $314,159. He remarked that while this figure may seem astronomical, if it were endorsed by global leaders, it could play a significant role in alleviating poverty worldwide. This perspective highlights the potential of PiNetwork as a tool for positive social change, particularly in regions grappling with economic challenges. Mr. Adamu Abubakar, who previously shared his thoughts on BBC Hausa, also weighed in during the segment. He stated, "To claim that a blockchain system is infallible is misleading. However, if it functions as programmed, based on my understanding of the white paper, the chances of success are promising." His comments underscore the cautious optimism surrounding PiNetwork, emphasizing the importance of understanding its underlying technology. PiNetwork's global reach. The presence of PiNetwork is rapidly expanding across the globe, with notable interest even in regions like Cameroon, where separatist tensions have historically led to unrest. During a recent gathering of Cameroonian pioneers, several leaders from the Pi Cameroon community took to the airwaves on television Vision 4, expressing their enthusiasm for the platform's potential to boost local economies. These media features have been well received within the PiNetwork community, with many viewing them as validation of the platform's potential to drive meaningful change. The emphasis on community involvement and the platform's accessibility via mobile devices are seen as key factors contributing to its growing popularity. The speakers articulated how PiNetwork not only offers individuals a chance to engage in the digital economy, but also has the potential to create jobs and improve living standards within their communities. The excitement surrounding the platform reflects a growing recognition of the role that cryptocurrency can play in economic empowerment. The role of community engagement. What sets PiNetwork apart is its emphasis on community involvement. As the platform continues to attract users, the interactions among them foster a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. This community-driven approach is vital, especially in the competitive landscape of cryptocurrency, where user engagement often dictates a project's success. The interviews on the BBC have served to validate the experiences and aspirations of PiNetwork's user base, illuminating the ways in which the platform can impact lives. As more individuals join the network, the collaborative spirit that defines PiNetwork is likely to strengthen, paving the way for broader adoption. The BBC's coverage of PiNetwork marks a pivotal moment in the platform's journey towards global recognition. With a growing user base and strong support from pioneers in various countries, PiNetwork is proving to be more than just another cryptocurrency project. It represents a movement with the potential to drive meaningful change. As the mainnet launch approaches, many are hopeful that PiNetwork will deliver on its promise to serve as a gateway for individuals worldwide to access the digital economy. With the right support and understanding, PiNetwork could not only benefit its users, but also help address larger social and economic challenges. In an era where financial inclusion is more critical than ever, PiNetwork stands poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of cryptocurrency and its impact on communities around the globe. As PiNetwork approaches its mainnet launch, the increased media attention reflects a broader recognition of its potential role in promoting financial inclusion and economic empowerment on a global scale. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.